alaikum. I am Abdasis. Welcome to Lincoln 252 channel. Tonight I want to show you how to make or create responsive footer using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. Like this footer. This is a complete responsive footer. This is a small device and the middle device and the large device. Is both of them. So how to make like this footer using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. So first of all, open your editor. Your editor. My editor is Sublime TXT. You can use bracket or another editor. So firstly, go file, click new file and click Ctrl S and then choose the location that you save in this file. I choose desktop and then I choose Lincoln folder, and then give the name home.html. Save. And also you need another file. See the CSS file. Go file, new file, Ctrl S, style.css. Go the HTML file and write the necessary tags of HTML title Lincoln 252. Then I want to connect the CSS file, my CSS file to the HTML file in this line of code. Link style.css. My CSS is connected to my HTML file. After that, I want to take some links of Bootstrap. Go to the browser, Google browser, and search get Bootstrap. Press enter. Wait a minute. Go down and take first this link. This is a Bootstrap CSS link. Copy. Go to the HTML. Put below the link and delete whatever behind integrity because we don't need. Go to the browser and take these three links in JavaScript and put below this. Also you delete whatever behind integrity. Delete, and this line delete because you do not need. Delete all of them. So go to the browser and search another time font Wisdom CDN. Press enter. Click first link and take this link. Copy. Go to the editor and type link, then paste the link that you copied. Ctrl S, go down in the body tag, then write section. This section is a footer section and this class is footer. Then we write more div. First div is a container because we use a bootstrap container, and the second div is row. The third div is column. We use 4 columns. The first column is, each column consists of 3 columns in a 12 column of bootstrap. So call md-3. Then you write h1. The first has with h1 we write useful links, and go down, write a b tag. The first b tag we write privacy and policy, and we copy this b tag and paste it 3 times. The second b is terms of use. The third b is return policy. The last b is delivery policy. So we go down and write another div. This is a second column, call -md-3. In the second column we write h1 tag. In this h1 tag we write Somali software. This is a company name. And then we write b tag. In the b tag we write contact us. The second b is about us. The third b is career. The fourth piece is location. Then we write the third column, div classes call -md-3. In this column write h1 tag. In this h1 tag we write follow us, and then we write more b tags. The first b tag is Facebook. The second b tag is YouTube. The third b tag is Twitter. The last b tag is LinkedIn. After that, we go to the browser and we search Founty with some icons. So we need some icons of social media. Then we search Facebook icon, Facebook F, click and copy in this link. Copy this link, go to the editor and paste it before the Facebook, deleting this, and then copy all the I tag, paste it before the YouTube, Twitter, and before the LinkedIn. Then change it, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And then go for the row and write b1b tag and give the class, and its class is copyright. In the b tag we write some copyright, we say all copyright, and percentage copy semicolon r rights are reserved for Lancome 252. On the last T we put a one icon. We change in this heart. Say Ctrl S and test the HTML code. Go to your folder and open in a Google Chrome, or right click your HTML file and click open in browse. If you use Sublime Text, you see, but this is a HTML and Bootstrap only. Then we add some CSS style. So go the CSS tab or CSS file and first write string, and then write margin 0, padding 0. Go down, go to the HTML tag, taking this class footer, come to CSS file, paste in this. First we give a section, footer section, a background, black background color. So we say background color white, margin top 34%. Ctrl S, go to the browser and refresh. You see this, we give a background color. Go to the CSS file, go to the HTML file and take footer paste it, write h1, and we write font size 25 pixel, margin 25 pixel top and bottom, and 0 left and right. Go down and paste the footer, write B, and we give font size 15 pixel. Go down, say Ctrl S, go to the browser and click refresh. Then go to the browser, go to the HTML and take footer, Ctrl S, go to the CSS file and write .fa. Font size 15 pixel, margin right 10 pixel. Ctrl S and refresh. You see the difference between now and before. And then we need to add one image in this side. So go to the HTML and we add a fourth column, div class call -mb-3 img, we add image. So image folder name / file name. So I go to the folder and take the name of the image. This is my folder, my root folder. Go to the image. This is my image. Right click, property. The extension of my file is a jpg and name is this. I copy this name, go to the HTML file, paste it and write .jpg. Ctrl S, go to the browser, click refresh, and this is my image. So I go to the CSS file and write .footer img width 200 pixel. Ctrl S, go to the browser, refresh, and you see so we add some header, one h1 download apps for iOS app and Android app. Ctrl S, go to the browser, click refresh. Then we put this copyright in the center of the footer. So we take this class first text align center, padding bottom 20 pixel. margin bottom minus 8 pixel. And then font size 15 pixel. Click save. Then go down, copy this class, go down, paste it, and then dot fa, say color red, font size 15 pixel. Ctrl S, go to the browser and refresh, and you see the last line come the center of the page. Already we finished the footer section, and this is a complete responsive footer. If we try small window, large device, middle device, and small device. That's for tonight. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Have a great night.